Hello everyone and welcome to Online Systems Analysis and Design. This is iTech 3155 and I'll be your professor, Dr. Angela C. Munoz. You can also call me Dr. M if you'd like. This is an online course at Middle Georgia State University. So here we're just going to go over the syllabus and also some of the content that you'll see in D2L for this class. All right, so you made it. Welcome to the class. Again, my name is Dr. M, or you can call me Dr. Munoz if you like. I just wanted to go over a little bit of information about myself before we get into the syllabus. So I did graduate from Middle Georgia State University, making me a proud double knight. First, I had my master's degree in information technology with a specialization in health informatics, and then I went on to get a doctorate of science degree in information technology from Middle Georgia State University, where I just recently graduated in the second cohort of our program. So a little bit of information about my teaching philosophy is I like to have a student-centered approach, so I may be asking questions about the course content and how it's going throughout the course. I like to have an adaptable teaching style. We also use an agile course management program, so as I see changes that need to be made, we do take that into account as I'm going through this course. You'll see some changes possibly, and I do like to get user feedback as well. I do like to do customized in-class activities for my in-person courses, and I like to have a supportive learning environment for all of my students, and I want to encourage all of my students to be lifelong learners. I want you to continue bringing in new information for the course and for sharing with other students and continuing your education even if you go out into your career and start your life as a professional in IT. All right, so what is this class about and why is it important? So this course is going to equip our students with essential skills for systems development roles. It's going to be teaching you problem-solving techniques for designing effective IT solutions. And you'll also be learning some hands-on activities through real-world scenarios and collaborative team projects and group projects. There's going to be a lot of critical thinking and decision-making challenges as you navigate through this course. So I hope you're ready. Okay, and what course materials and technology requirements will you need for this course? Well, you're going to need the required textbook, which is the Tilly S. and Rosenblatt Systems Analysis and Design. This is going to be the 11th edition. You'll see it online in D2L and also on the syllabus. It's going to be documented there. Make sure you get the correct edition. Any software and tools you're going to need are going to be listed in D2L and also throughout the syllabus. So we are going to be using Lucidchart, Visio, Draw.io for diagramming. That's for doing some DFDs, UML diagrams, and also D2L, of course. You're going to need Microsoft Office Suite. We're going to need Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and for your written reports and presentations, you'll be using that heavily. Also, there's a technical requirement. Make sure you have internet and a good steady connection. Also, you need to have device compatibility with PC or Mac. Make sure you get that figured out before the class starts. You might also want to get a webcam or a microphone for your presentations, as we may be doing some presentations throughout this course. And that's just to make sure that you have the professional ability to speak about what you're doing in this class. For this class, we have different grades and assignments, of course, just like any other class, but we do have some mini projects. These are going to be progressive activities that are tied to the SDL phases. We also have quizzes. These are going to be short, focused assessments that are covering key concepts that you'll need to know. We have some discussions, which are real-world problem solving and peer collaboration activities. And then we have a midterm project, which is a consolidation of early assignments and analysis work that we'll put together. So it's going to be incremental as we move along through the course. And then, of course, at the end, we'll have our final project, and that's going to be a comprehensive systems design proposal. It's going to include diagrams, models, and other recommendations. So also in this class, you want to make sure any written reports are done with APA 7th edition style and formatting. I do expect you to use Grammarly or some other form of grammar checking device or technology to make sure you're putting your best work forward. As far as feedback, make sure that you're submitting assignments on time and expect to get some constructive feedback. Anytime if I make notes on your work, it's to help improve your writing or your processes. Take it into consideration. Make sure you make those changes before you continue with other projects. The policies and expectations for this class are listed in the syllabus, also in D2L. So this is a deadline-based structure. You want to make sure that all assignments are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and that's Eastern Time. No late work will be accepted without prior approval. You do need to email me and MGA if you think that you may have an assignment coming in late or something comes up and you won't be able to complete it. Please let me know. Reach out to me. I'll respond very quickly and let you know what we can do, and we'll try to work with you on that. For the AI usage policy, you'll see a description in the end of the syllabus. For this course, I do have a system. We have the traffic light system, so you have a green light for some assignments, you may have a yellow light, and you may have a red light. Most of the projects for this course are going to be a red light, so I want you to be thinking out of the box, being creative. Please do not use AI created presentations. If you have to rely on that to get a style or a template, please use it with discretion. Make sure you double check your work, and I do expect you to use some forms of grammar checking throughout the course. This will help you with your writing later on. Make sure you use it. We're all professionals. Of course, I don't want anything generating text for you, but I do want you to use Grammarly, things like that, to check your spelling before you submit it to me. All right, for student resources and success tips, how can you be successful in this class? Well, first off, you can use Galileo for research. If you find that you need more research on interaction design or user experience, anything like that, we do have available resources throughout this course. Check D2L. I have a lot of resources there, lots of videos, lots of links and things like that. You can always email me at the MGA email if you need help finding something. I can find it really quickly and send it to you. You can also try the Student Success Center and they can tutor you. That's another option that you do have if you especially need help with design, writing, something in the technical field that you're having trouble with, or if you're just having trouble uploading to YouTube for any of our presentations or recording audio, please reach out to me or your classmates and they'll be happy to help you. We do have various online databases for academic support. Within the D2L system, we do have an embedded librarian who can help you with your APA 7th edition citations. So please reach out, access as many resources as you can so that you can be successful in this course. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in this presentation. Welcome to the class. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to meet you and get a feel for what you want to learn in this class. If you need to reach out to me, my information is listed here in the PowerPoint presentation, also in the syllabus and in D2L. If you need to reach me at any time, of course, email me through your MGA website, email, and that's going to be angela.munoz@mga.edu. And you can also reach out to me through MS Teams. Thank you. Bye.